Recording. Lachlan.
His
first hearing aid. With sound.
Hello, darling. Hello, Lachlan. There we go. Well, hello.
Oh, darling.
Oh, darling.
Oh,
Hello.
listening.
Hi.
Yes.
Oh, look.
Hi.
He's smiling.
Lachlan. Hello. Hello,
Oh,
darling.
look. He's smiling. He's smiling.
I told you
Oh,
it's not
darling.
so bad once you see their
Oh,
response.
yeah.
He's smiling,
Oh,
sweetheart.
isn't that
Sorry,
lovely?
Elsie.
Yeah. Hello, darling.
Oh, darling.
Hello. You're smiling. Can you hear?
Amazing.
Isn't it amazing?
Hi.
Now I'm
Hi.
just going to clap, make sure it's not too loud. Ready, Lachlan? See how he blinks a little bit? But he stops, so
It's okay.
it's not too loud. And he's not blinking when we talk.
Yeah, boy, darling.
Yes. Hi there.
The reaction wasn't it when the kids came on?
When they stop like that, they're listening.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, gorgeous.
And what a nice smile.
Difference, isn't it?
So it's never too young.
Oh, there's a smile.
Okay, can you turn him around and I'll just cut the tube.